Question number 1. Who is the current President of India? The correct answer is option A, Draupadi Murmu. Question number 2. Who is the current Vice President of India? The correct answer is option D, Jagdeep Dhankhar. Question number 3. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 4. Who is the current Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is option C, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Question number 5. Who is the current Governor of Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is option C, Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 6. Who is the current Chief of Defence Staff of India? The correct answer is option A, General Anil Chauhan. Question number 7. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff of India? The correct answer is option A, Upendra Dwivedi. Question number 8. Who is the current Chief of Indian Air Force? The correct answer is option C, Amarpreet Singh. Question number 9. Who is the current Chief of Naval Staff of India? The correct answer is option A, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Question number 10. Who is the current Chairman of Niti Aayog? The correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 11. Who is the current Union Home and Corporation Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, Amit Shah. Question number 12. Who is the current Union Defence Minister of India? The correct answer is option D, Rajnath Singh. Question number 13. Who is the current Foreign Minister of India? The correct answer is option C, S. Jaishankar. Question number 14. Who is the current Finance and Corporation Affairs Minister of India? The correct answer is option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 15. Who is the current Road Transport Highways Minister of India? The correct answer is option D, Nitin Gadkari. Question number 16. Who is the current Education Minister of India? The correct answer is option A, Dharmendra Pradhan. Question number 17. Who is the current Minister of Health, Family Welfare, Chemicals and Fertilizers of India? The correct answer is option A, Jagat Prakash Nadda. Question number 18. Who is the current Food Processing Industries Minister of India? The correct answer is option D, Chirag Paswan. Question number 19. Who is the current Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment of India? The correct answer is option C, Birendra Kumar. Question number 20. Who is the current Minister of Housing, Energy and Urban Affairs of India? The correct answer is option B, Manohar Lal Khattar. Question number 21. Who is the present Heavy Industries and Steel Minister of India? The correct answer is option D, H.D. Kumaraswamy. Question number 22. Who is the current Minister of Women and Child Development of India? The correct answer is option A, Annapurna Devi. Question number 23. Who is the current Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change of India? The correct answer is option B, Bhupender Yadav. Question number 24. Who is the current Minister of Railways, Information Broadcasting, Electronics and IT of India? The correct answer is option A, Ashwini Vaishnav. Question number 25. Who is the current Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas of India? The correct answer is option D, Hardeep Singh Puri. Question number 26. Who is the current Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs of India? The correct answer is option B, Kiren Rijiju. Question number 27. Who is the current Commerce and Industry Minister of India? The correct answer is option C, Piyush Goyal. Question number 28. Who is the current Jal Shakti Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, C.R. Patil. Question number 29. Who is the current Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises of India? The correct answer is option C, Jitendra Manji. Question number 30. Who is the current Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways of India? The correct answer is option A, Sarbananda Sonowal.